This is Catherine Magana with your Savvy Minute. Today I'll give you another easy way tip for you to get savvy about your finances. Today's tip will cover how to vet investments. Investing can be a great way to make your money grow, but it can also be risky too. It's important for you to have a good idea about what you're investing in. If you're being pressured to act fast or encouraged to hurry or skip your due diligence, I would see that as a huge red flag. If the investment sounds exotic or is difficult to explain or for you to understand, then you may want to take a pass. Vetting your investments allows you to assess whether the investment is appropriate for your overall goals. This is the time to evaluate the investment as it relates to your risk tolerance and the costs. You want to make sure your investment is a solid one, so it's important to learn as much as you can before proceeding. You need to consider the best and worst case scenarios based on the amount of the investment. You can also call on the advice of others. Just make sure the advice is coming from a credible source or a third-party expert. Remember the saying, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Join us each week for the Savvy Minute. You can find more of our videos at savvyup.tv, that's savvyup.tv, or give us a call at 760-692-5700 for your free 30-minute financial assessment today. And remember, savvy up.